The key to personal power. Personal power is the ability to achieve what you want, more than anything else. It is personal power that brings you success and happiness. The biggest barrier to success in almost any endeavor is powerlessness, negativity, helplessness. Each of us, to one degree or another, is continually involved in the process of influencing the thoughts and actions of other people, and correspondingly, we regularly experience the effects of the influence of other people on ourselves. This capacity to affect the behavior of others can be described as the exercise of personal power. The use of personal power is generally acknowledged as being a natural social tendency of human beings, and its practice can be observed in virtually any situation in which people interact with one another. A person's ability to effectively exercise personal power can be a critically important factor in gaining the help and cooperation of others in achieving personal and professional goals, which in turn can play a key role in one's overall success. How to achieve personal power? 1. Self-awareness. The ability to know one's emotions, strengths, weaknesses, drives, values, and goals, and recognize their impact on others while using gut feelings to guide decisions. In order to become self-aware, you need to conduct an honest self-assessment to determine your strengths and weaknesses, such as powerlessness and inertia, and determine the root causes. You then need to create a plan that will help you overcome your fears, which are barriers to courage and stand between you and your successes. While I am a big proponent of using my intuition to guide my decisions whenever it is appropriate, I need to caution that unless your gut feelings are often more right than wrong, you cannot make decisions solely based upon intuition. You need to use a balanced combination of intuition and logic. 2. Invest in emotional health. Robert Greene, author of The 48 Laws of Power, contends that managing your emotions is prerequisite for successfully enacting the laws of power. Before you can master power, you have to master your own emotional world. You lose power when you let your emotions get the best of you. You allow outer situations to direct your behavior and overreact. Being able to respond and not just react comes from knowledge of and comfort with your emotions. Mastering your emotions requires being open to your feelings, not judging them, and reflecting upon them in order to discover what they can teach you about yourself. 3. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Nothing can sabotage you more than letting negative self-talk dominate your thoughts. Negative self-talk paralyzes you from taking action, holds you back from sharing your thoughts and ideas, and prevents you from taking risks and exploring new opportunities. These thoughts will literally empty your fuel tank, and once you're out of gas, you no longer have power. Listen to these negative voices and label them as such. Self-awareness is the first step to owning your power. Don't let these limiting beliefs control your life and your success. Release the thoughts, reframe, and replace with positive affirmations. 4. Social skills. Managing relationships to move people in the desired direction. Your social skills refer to your interpersonal skills, or your ability to relate and connect with people, which can motivate them to deploy discretionary efforts to help you achieve goals that are best accomplished via partnership and collaboration. Here are some tips for improving your social skills. 1. Pay attention to the feedback of friends and coworkers, good and bad. Train yourself to repeat the behaviors that get positive feedback and work on eliminating those that make people react negatively. 2. View constructive criticism as just that. When we become defensive, we don't hear what can be very helpful feedback. 3. Learn to handle conflict and confrontation from a perspective of compassion and caring. Personal coaching can be very helpful in learning to be more diplomatic in your interactions with others. 5. Build a supportive network. You can't create a successful career in a vacuum. Seek advice from mentors and sponsors. Look for powerful female role models and observe how they exhibit executive presence. Build mutually beneficial relationships with people you can help and who, in turn, champion your ideas, provide advice, and the information you need to be successful. 6. Maintain a growth mindset. Knowledge is power, and those with a growth mindset are open to learning. Be curious. Keep an open mind. Listen and learn from others. Every day provides a new opportunity for personal growth. You can't be an expert in everything, but when you have a growth mindset, your willingness to learn leads to personal growth and power. If you like this channel, please subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.